Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Daniel in Dublin. Greetings from Hazelnut Mountains Chocolate Factory. Guys, what a place! And when you're actually passing the door to Hazelnut Mountain Chocolate, the smell of the chocolate is absolutely divine. Wow, actually so many endorphins and so many happiness just because of the smell of the chocolate. And when you try the chocolate, because the staff is so helpful and friendly, and talking about the chocolate and about cocoa beans from around the world and about the roasters, wow, amazing. And of course you can buy chocolates, many different types, and chocolate tea and chocolate candles from soya. Absolutely stunning. I love it. We are in a magical place when Polish girl meet Irish guy. They have own business with the chocolate as a passion, as a work, as a place when dreams actually come true. Guys, I just have no words actually. It's so amazing. From the chocolate shop and factory and whole chocolates and chocolate spreads, chocolate candles, everything what you can see in the shop for handmade and craft made stuff from Bolesławiec, because the Polish girl Kasia, who is owner of this place, shipped this from Poland. Just this gives you special vibe, and it's very significant. If you know this pottery, you know straight away what that is. Very famous around the world, very famous in Japan, very famous in Australia, and very famous here as well. To drinking and eating from this pottery give you like extra pleasure. Food was stunning. Chocolate cake was the best ever from real chocolate. Wow, just wow.